So here's what we're gonna do. I also sell phones for a living, so I'm gonna teach you how to put on a iShieldz glass screen protector. I have the iPhone 12 mini. Got a little chip there if you can see it. I'm gonna get a new one. All you gotta do is kind of peel from the edge. Careful not to get glass in your eyes. Set that aside. And pop this guy open. Take that off. That. They got a little perforated thing here. Peel that off. And then they got more packaging, more plastic, and junk you don't need. And it's gonna be a bunch of stuff it says on there, don't worry about that. And so first thing you want to do is get your alcohol pad swab thing and wipe off all the nasty, the gunk, and swipe it off with that swab. I like to do it in one go, and then just use this dust remover, get all the little dust, get all the dust off, and then make sure you got the bottom and the top correctly. Then you're gonna want to usually want to be in a clean space where there's not a lot of dust. Oh, there's a little fluff. And then just kind of pull this tabby and align it nice, and swipe your finger down the middle. And if you do get any little dust pieces underneath the glass, it's not the worst thing in the world. Like, I got a little one right there. What you can do is get this guy and grab it out and push out the bubbles. Got it. Wipe it off with the microfiber cloth, and bang, you got it. Pop the case back on, and we're laughing.